I would like to share and present a part of background. Firstly, we can go to the progression on technology. Online learning has transformed the landscape of education by providing a flexible platform with abundant resources that can be accessed globally. And then, the next point is the shift from traditional classrooms to virtual environments has shed light on various crucial factors that play a pivotal role in determining the educational outcomes of students. And the last point in background section is the primary objective of this research endeavor is to meticulously examine and analyze these influencing factors, aiming to unravel their intricate impact on student performance within online learning settings.
The next section, I would like to share my point in problem statement. The first problem statement is involving technological disparities that limit access to online resources for some students. And then, second problem statement is the absence of a physical classroom environment can lead to reduced peer interaction and support. And the last problem statement is instructional design is another critical factor. Next section, I would like to share about research objective. First point, we get to analyze the effect of level of knowledge on students' performance. And then, the second point, we get to analyze the effect of level of skills on students' performance. Third point, we get to analyze the effect of personal factors on students' performance. Next point, we get to analyze the effects of fixed factors on students' performance. After that, we get to analyze the effect of performance mindset on student performance. And the second last point, we get to analyze the effect of immersion in an enriching environment on students' performance. And the last point, we get to analyze the effect of engagement in reflective practice on students' performance.
I talk about research significance. Okay, this research explore how online learning affect student performance, which is crucial as digital education becomes more common. By examining various factors that impact learning, the study aims to improve online teaching methods. The findings could lead to new strategies that adapt to different learning styles, enhancing both knowledge and skill development. These implications of this study are significant. It can help educators design more engaging courses, assist institutions in supporting students better, and enable learners to get the most out of their education. Ultimately, this work aims to ensure that all students have access to high quality online learning, helping them succeed in a digital world.
Literature Review, Theory of Academic Performance. The theory of performance, developed by Don Alger in 2007, is a comprehensive framework that provides valuable insights into various aspects of performance, including academic performance. The development of performance is a continuous process where the level of performance indicates the current position in the journey. The performance level is determined by four key components of context: knowledge level, skills level, personal factors, and fixed factors. Three axioms have been proposed to facilitate effective performance enhancements. These involve a performance mindset, immersion in an enriching environment, and engagement in reflective practice.
2.3 Level of knowledge and student performance. A higher level of knowledge is often hypothesized to positively influence student performance, as it equips students with the necessary understanding and skills to excel academically. Studies have shown that students who possess a higher level of knowledge in a particular subject tend to perform better academically in that subject. This relationship can be attributed to the fact. 2.4 Level of skills and student performance. Students who possess a higher level of skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, communication, and time management are more likely to perform better academically. These skills enable students to effectively analyze and synthesize information, apply their knowledge to real-world situations, communicate their ideas clearly, and manage their time efficiently. As a result, they can excel in their academic endeavors. 2.5 Personal factors and students' performance. One of the key personal factors that can affect student performance is motivation. Intrinsic motivation, which comes from within the individual, has been found to have a positive impact on student performance. When students are intrinsically motivated, they are more likely to be engaged, persistent, and proactive in their learning, leading to a better academic outcomes. On the other hand, extrinsic motivation, which comes from external rewards or pressure, may have a variable impact on student performance, depending on how it is perceived and internalized by the student.
Next, fixed factors and student performance. Fixed factors like socioeconomic status, parental education, and school funding that affect student performance, which include grades and test scores. Important studies have shown that these factors influence educational success. The Coleman Report 1966 found that socioeconomic status and school resources cause differences in outcomes. Key debates include whether resources should be distributed based on needs or equally, whether home or school environment has a bigger impact, and whether standardized tests truly measure student abilities considering fixed factors. Next, performer mindset and student performance. A growth mindset means believing that intelligence and abilities can improve with effort and learning from mistakes. Students with this mistake tackle challenges, persist through setbacks, and see effort as a key to success. Students with a growth mindset are more resilient, motivated, and open to learning. They see challenges as opportunities and work hard to overcome them, which help in research tasks like critical thinking and problem solving. They also view failure as a chance to learn and improve, leading to better performance over time.
Next, immersion in an enriching environment and students' performance. An enriching environment is characterized by abundant resources, supportive relationship, and diverse learning experiences. Such environment foster a conducive atmosphere where students are motivated to engage actively in their academic pursuits. Furthermore, an enriching environment offers students access to a wide array of resources essential for their research methodology. Last but not least, engagement in reflective practice and student performance. Reflective practice refers to the process of students actively examining their own learning experiences to enhance their understanding and improve future performance. When students engage in reflective practice, they are encouraged to critically analyze their thoughts, action, and learning processes. This introspection fosters a deeper understanding of their strengths and weaknesses, providing an opportunity for personal growth and academic improvement.
Next is theoretical framework. There is have 7 IV and 1 DV. The DV is students' performance and the IV is level of knowledge, level of skills, personal factors, fixed factors, performance mindset, immersion and enriching environment, and the last one is engagement in reflective practice. Hypothesis. Hypothesis number 1 is if level of knowledge of students is higher, then students' performance will be better. Number 2 is if level of skill is higher, then the students' performance will increase. Number 3 is if the personal factors is positive, then the students' performance will be better. Number 4 is if fixed factors is adequate, then the students' performance will ensure success. Number 5 is if performance mindset is good, then students' performance is better. Number 6 is if immersion in enriching environment is higher, then the students' performance will be enhanced. Number 7 is if engagement in reflective practice is higher, then students' performance will increase. Research design. The quantitative approach is the foundation of the research design for this study. The selection of this method is based on its ability to supply numerical data that can be subjected to statistical analysis, hence providing precise measurement and accurate outcomes. To acquire data for the study, primary sources will utilize. Among these sources are questionnaires that were developed especially for this study. In addition, the nature of this study is that of casual research will seek to determine the links between variables that are caused by the effect of other factors.
For the next part is method and sources. The primary method of data collection for this research will be a self-administered questionnaire survey. The questionnaire will be carefully designed to gather relevant information from participants regarding the various factors that may influence their performance in online learning environment. The most popular interval scale question is the 5-point Likert scale inquiry. On the scale of 1 to 5, the purpose of the Likert scale used in this questionnaire.
Sampling. In research technique, sampling is the process of selecting a subset of individuals, events, or items for a larger population of interest for study and concluding the overall population. The sampling technique used in this research is probability sampling. This type uses random selection, which give each member of the population an equal chance of being chosen.
For the next part is research analysis. The data collected through the questionnaire and primary sources will be analyzed using appropriate statistical technique. Descriptive statistics such as mean, standard deviation, and frequency distribution will be calculated to summarize the sample characteristic and provide an overview of the data. To examine the relationship between the independent variable, which is knowledge level, skill level, personal factor, fit factor, mindset, immersion, and relative practice, and student performance in online learning environment, which is dependent variable, inferential statistical analysis will be conducted.